Hello, gawa tayo. Okay, can you see here? I am making potato chips. Alright, I have here, um, uh, I seasoned the potato. At first, I finely and thinly chopped the potatoes oh, with its skin. I don't mind. I don't mind eating the skin. It's delicious. And we have here cooked already. Mm. You want to hear how it sounds? I'm just gonna take off some of my potato chips here. It's when it's golden brown. When it's golden brown, I'm gonna take it off because it's good to go. Okay, I'm having a hard time here. This is a manual procedure in making potato chips, so it takes a lot of patience because I don't have a big pan to put everything at once, so I'm putting one by one. I know it's oily, but I know it's going to be good anyway. So I'm craving something, and I don't have the audacity to spend more money and buy chips or whatever. So here I tried my best. This is my second time actually making this potato like this. I sometimes make french fries cuts, but this time I want it like this. I don't know how you call it, guys, but I'm not expert for potato. Potato is not frequently cooked there in my country back then, but here I am here in Thailand, and I'm making everything out of myself. Well, you know, trying to learn by myself, trying everything the best I can, the best I could. And I thank God for the talent, you know. No, nobody taught me this one, but it's in my thought that since it's cooked like that, French fries are cooked in the manner of frying it. So last time I cooked potato chips without flour, so it's kind of soggy. But this time I put some specific flour, and it's so crunchy, absolutely very crunchy. I'm letting you hear the in a moment. Wait. Okay, I'm just gonna arrange this one. Whew. Here I have the potato chips. So I'm gonna test one and make you hear how it sounds, okay? Does it taste good? It's not burnt. It's just golden brown, okay? It's because I add some powder here, like a pepper how do you say that one? Pepper powder, seasonings like that. I season a chicken flavor, so the color kind of like this. So I'm gonna make you hear. Mmm. Mmm. Right here. Mmm. You know what? You know, you can make this can be sold. This can be sold. Up to you. Mmm. You're gonna need a special no. We're gonna need a different flour, not the all-purpose flour that everyone's using. I'm actually using a different flour. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Okay. She'll have more. This is just a one big potato, and it's a lot already. Yeah. I don't care if my potato color is like this. I don't care. Well, I'm just having fun. I'm just trying to make most of my time and not waste. Maybe I could do something out of this and make profit. Hey, May. I'm actually in Thailand, so I'd like to speak some of this. Mhm. So today I wasn't able to go to church because it's raining a lot outside in the morning, and now it's afternoon, and I've got bored. I hope people are coming in my house, but they're not actually. Well, why would they? Shame. Well, so I'm gonna take off some the cooked already chips. Okay, cooked chips already. Okay, put it here. That's kind of greasy. I know it's oily. Well, that's it. It's I have no choice. It's I don't have a air fryer here. I don't have here anything that I can use. Well, I'm kind of okay with this as long as I'm fine, as long as I love what I'm doing, and as long as I've learned something on how to, you know, make at least this one potato fries. Okay, the circled potato fries. So it's not anymore soggy if you have the correct ingredients. For me, I know I have more to go. I have more to learn on how to make potato fries. But here today at this as of the moment, this is enough for me. Okay, I'm gonna learn something new the next time and have fun. Maybe I can make profit out of this. So who knows, right? We don't know what the future is. Maybe this is gonna be the start of um something something new, something different. Okay, that will change my life. Who knows, right? So yeah, keep moving on, and instead of slacking, slouching all day, instead of laying in the bed, yeah, something like that. Well, if you don't like to go outside, mine is cooking. So I actually haven't had my lunch. Don't feel like eating my food there in the table, so I'll go with this. It's been a long time. It's been a long time since I am let you out of the blue. Lami. In Filipino, if it's delicious, we can say masarap or lami. Mmm. Sarap. Mmm. You can do this at home. Definitely can, 100%. You can do this. Mmm. It's well seasoned. The chicken flavor. What did I use? I used this one chicken flavor seasoning. I mixed it with everything. The the ground pepper, the ground pepper, the flour, the flour. Mm-hmm. And that's it. That's it. Nothing else. Just make sure don't wash your potato. Mmm. Sarap. That's it for today. I'm gonna continue cooking. See? Bye bye, guys. Hope you learned something.